Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you've been watching my videos, you know that I got the new Garmin Zumo XT2 for the Honda Goldwing. I actually can take it off and I can put it on the Trail 125 or on the CRF 300L. I got a mount on all of them. One of my concerns is if I go to town and if I stop at a gas station, I'm kind of worried about the Garmin Zumo being stolen. Now, normally what I do is I just take it off, I put it in the side compartment, go in, I get a bottle of water or whatever, then I come back out, I take it out of the side compartment, put it back on the bike. But just for a quick trip into the store, I really don't want to have to fool with taking it off and doing all that. It's just not secure because somebody could come right up here, they could be at the gas pump next to me, and even if I'm turn my back or go over to the trash can on the other side or something, they could just grab it real easy and be gone. You could just grab this thing, push the button, take it, and it's just that easy to steal. So our friends over at MotoPumps has come up with a perfect solution for this. I've seen lots of different ways of doing it, but this one is by far the best. This is a security lock for your already existing Garmin XT2 mount, and this will be just a lock you put on here. If you watch my earlier videos, you can see that I got a crossbar style mount. I put one on the Honda Trail 125, and I put one on the CRF 300L, which is also made by MotoPumps, and it's the locking mechanism and mount all included in one. But for this style, with the RAM mount that I have on the Goldwing, all I need is just a lock, and that's what MotoPumps has sent to me. Now, I'm not getting paid anything for this video. They're just sending me this to review, to put on my bike, so I don't make a dime off commission or anything off of this. But I will post a link below where you can check out MotoPumps and check out everything they got. They got different kinds of mounts for all different kinds of stuff, so you can go check them out. Let's take this thing out of the package and see what it takes to put it on the bike. But first, I want to show you the existing mount here on the Honda Goldwing. So when you first buy your Garmin XT or XT2 and you mount it, then it just pushes on with a little button here, you take it off. And as you can see, the mount here, which is a ram ball setup with this little extension. So as far as releasing it, what you do is you push this. You can see there's a clip here on the bottom and a clip here on the top. Your Zumo sits in the cradle like so, and then just snaps in. The button comes back up and it locks it in. As you can see, when I push this button, the little locking mechanism goes down and comes back up, which is all fine and dandy, and it holds it well. But the problem with that is somebody can just walk up here, push this, pull your Garmin off, and they got it. It's just that simple. So we're going to install the new lock from MotoPumps, and that should remedy that situation. Okay, so as far as the part number for this mount is a ZXT-SL, and this is made to work on a Garmin Zumo XT or Garmin Zumo XT2. It'll work on either one, the same mount. So as far as what comes in the package, we get a sticker, of course, business card, and then a QR code here. But the main thing is we have the mount, we have the locking pin, and then we have two keys. They give you an extra key. I guess you can keep one on your keychain, one on the bike, or one at your home in case you lose that key. You would have one. This is the locking pin, and if you can see this locking pin, it actually has an O-ring right here, which kind of helps hold it in there from falling out if you don't have it tightened in, or keeps it solid, one or the other in there, but it does work really good. So we take this here, this pin goes right in here like this. You take this key, and it's especially made for this. So you take the key, push it in, you can feel that O-ring click in, and just spin this in till it locks and snug it down. That's all there is to it. Once you have your Garmin on there, to take it out, just do the opposite, spin it out here. And it does have this little push pin, just in case this is hard to get a hold of to take out. You take this little push pin. If you go from this side, you can just push that. Comes right out like that. Very good quality made. Looks like this stuff is stainless steel. This is made out of billet aluminum. You can see where they machined it out. And of course it is MotoPumps made in the USA. So let's go ahead and install this on the Honda Goldwing. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is remove these 4 screws. There's 4 Phillips screws, and there's 7mm hex nut on the bottom. They are nylock nuts, so you don't have to have Loctite. So I'm going to loosen this and bring it up higher, just to give me some more room to get under here with my wrench. So I have a 7mm wrench here. Okay, now we have all 4 of the hex nuts removed. So now we want to take the MotoPumps locking plate, and we just want to set it in the same place. We can go ahead and put the screws through the plate is easier this way probably. And then just set it down on the 4 holes here. Now we need to put our hex nuts back on. Okay, we got all our hex nuts on. Just be careful not to over tighten them. Make sure when you mount this plate that you mount the logo like I did. The logo is up on the MotoPumps plate. Okay, I'll go ahead and demonstrate here just to show you so you can see it. With the Garmin on here, it's kind of hard to see it, but your pin will go in like that. Push it into the O-ring, clicks in, and then just take and spin this in. You don't need to tighten it real tight, just down good and snug. And now that pin will not push at all, so they could not remove the Garmin. Go ahead and take this out and put the Garmin on. And I do need to use this. Okay, now we'll click the Garmin into place, like so. Now from the back side here, I can put the pin in. Like so. And now it's impossible to push that pin to take this off. That is very cool. Okay, so now I want to show you something else that you can get from MotoPumps. Let's take this Garmin off here. Okay, this is what they offer. This is really cool. So normally on this Garmin mount here, you have this little rubber piece here connected to your wire. It runs up here and just sits into place, kind of pushes on. Now, on my bike, I have never had this actually fall off. But the biggest problem with this is everything is exposed. Other than covering your pins, which is definitely the most important, your screws here are exposed, and everything, your locking mechanism, everything to get dirt and debris on, especially if you're doing like I do, doing a lot of off-road on the 300L or the Trail 125, it's going to get a lot of dirt. So, and that would actually clip down there. But Garmin has this, says adventure starts here. This is made out of billet aluminum also, and they actually have a piece of foam inside here. And the way this works is instead of going on like the other one did, it clips on just exactly like your Garmin Zumo. So you put it in from the bottom first, push it down to it snaps, and it clicks into place. So it covers the entire thing, and you actually could, just so you don't lose it or anything, you could actually put your pin in here and lock it in when you're not using it. That way you don't lose your pin. Keeps your pin where you know where it's at. It's locked in. And nobody could remove it if they wanted to take that off. I doubt they would, but you never know about people. Let's try to keep the honest people honest. But this is a very cool addition they made. I did not know they even made such a thing as this little plate here, but this is great. So I might have the Garmin on the Goldwing, and on my 300L and my Trail 125, I keep one of these on there all the time until I use it. And then I will take the Garmin off, put it on the Trail 125, and put a plate on here. Makes it really nice. So it just unclips the same way. Just push the button down, just like your Garmin, comes off. Okay, guys, there we go. That is the locking mount from MotoPumps for the Garmin Zumo XT and XT2. If you have one of these, I highly recommend you go to MotoPumps and get one of these. I will post a link in the description below, but super cool. I like how it uses the locking pin, the key. It's really cool. It's not like anybody's just going to have something to take that thing off. Now, one thing I would recommend is as far as your mounting here, this is a wing nut style on this extension. Now, they do make a locking one that you can get and put on there. Would be a lot safer. Or you can do like I have over here for my quad lock mount. I took this out and I put a Phillips head bolt, which makes it to where they have to have a Phillips head screwdriver with them and take it off and spend the time to do that, which is a lot easier than using this wing nut style that the ram mount comes with. So that will actually work a lot better than using the wing nut. But very cool. MotoPumps ZXT SL, something that I advise you all to get if you have a Garmin Zumo XT or XT2. And then, of course, the addition of this block-off plate to put on there to protect it from dust and water and everything. This should keep it watertight and protect the whole unit. Really like it. So these two are good to get together. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up. As I said, check out the links to MotoPumps down below, and we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Ride on.